everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I know I'm at a new background today. I'm actually at my parents' house. Me and my daughter slept here last night, had a little sleepover with my family. So I decided while I'm here, I might as well take up advantage of this background because my mom got going on. Well, I've been here last night and this morning I've been vlogging, just showing a little bit like behind the scenes, where I grew up, what my parents' home looks like, a little bit, you know, just more like get to know me type stuff. And I uploaded that video for my channel members. So if you haven't joined already, in the description you can see my channel members link. If you'd like to join, another way you can support me and get some extra perks and little fun stuff like that. So for today's nails, I am so excited to finally be trying the SUSANAH Polygel kit. I asked you guys in a poll on Instagram if this should be a murder mystery nails video or if you guys wanted me just to talk about the kit, showcase it, all of that stuff. And the vote was just showcase it. I know we're all really big fans of SUSANAH over here. And I also know this kit has been out for like a month or two, but it's so pretty and Makartt sent it over to me. So I figured, you know what, I want to play with it too. And yeah, I'm super excited. So if you would like to watch me play with the SUSANAH kit, chit chat, hang out with me and do some nails, then please keep watching. Bye. All right, everybody, let's get into this polygel kit. Look at this packaging. I think this is the cutest packaging I've ever seen from Makartt. It's so adorable. And if you want to read this little note Emily put in the kits, you can pause that and read it. Super cute. So let's get into unboxing. We're going to have this little thank you for shopping with us, little card. We have the instruction manual. You guys can pause if you'd like to read for yourself. Next, we have a package of this hollow chrome nail powder and a 100-180 grit nail file and this spatula and brush. You guys look at Femi Beauty's name is on my brush. Like, what? I guess that is a hint, right? We have a top coat and a base coat and then 3 different beautiful glitters. I showcase the names on each of them and they're so cool because these glitters have like little pieces of cotton candy and butterflies and like legit little pieces of cotton candy. It is so adorable. I've never seen that before. And again, sorry you guys, I'm still getting over my sickness. My voice is like, my cough is just lingering. Anyway, I love those. Those are so beautiful. And underneath, we even have more goodies. I was so shocked to see these. So pretty. I use one of those butterflies in today's tutorial and then some dual forms. Again, the packaging is just adorable. And yeah, we're going to use those dual forms today. And then we have this mini lamp, which again is so cute. And then these beautiful pink nail crystals. Wow, they killed it. So here's all the nail swatches we're going to be doing today. The first one, the super cute mint green. Then we have the purple. They have like actual names. I think this one's called marshmallow. No, the green's called marshmallow. And then the clear. So yeah, the cutest palette ever. SUSANAH, you did it with this one, girly. So let's do some nail prep. I know it's been a couple videos since I've done it. The first thing I do is start by pressing all of my cuticles back, and then I take my file and gently remove the shine or, you know, the other product off my nails. Now I'm going to dehydrate my nails. The reason we do that is just to get all of the oils off of it. And now the Young Nails primer. If you guys don't have this and have trouble with your nails popping off, that Young Nails protein bond is amazing, you guys. Then I'm going to do a thin layer of base coat, and after that I'm going to cure it, and my nails are going to be ready for the nails that we want to do. Super easy. Prep is easy, but it's very important. If you have trouble with lifting, make sure that you do your prep correctly each time. So today we're going to be playing with the dual forms that come in the kit. In this kit they have 2 different I guess looks. One of them super curved and one of them is a little bit more straight. I'm going to be using the straighter ones today, but here's a side by side of what they look like. I think the curved is cute too. So I did my thumbnail already, and I have my other dual forms ready to go. I like having it on this little nail plate thing, like what I use for press-ons. It's just really easy. So I'm going to start off by encapsulating my index finger. This kit didn't come with any slip solution, but you can use base coat as slip solution, or you can use isopropyl alcohol, but today I'm using my Beetles slip in a bottle. So when you encapsulate dual forms, it's very easy. You have to start by applying a very, very thin layer of clear. Do it as thin as you can. If you do it thicker, then your nail is going to be thick when you go on with the polygel on top of it. So do it as thin as you can. Make sure you cover the whole nail. And then, you know, these dual forms have like the different lengths on them so that you can make all your nails the same size, which I think is really nice and convenient. And then you're going to go in with whatever you want to encapsulate with. Today I'm going to be using this cute glitter, and I wanted to do like a little slant glitter on this one. So I'm just going to be putting the glitter slanted at the top of the nail and at the bottom. And then once you have your glitter placed or whatever, you can use butterflies, you can use the little fruit pieces, like you can literally use whatever you want. This is how you would do it with encapsulation. Then after you have it, however you like, you're then going to cure it so that all of your gems or whatever, your glitter stays in place. And then after that, you're going to follow that up with your polygel. And if you've done lazy girl method before, then you're probably going to be used to putting less polygel in the nail. But when you do dual forms, you actually have to build this nail up because we're going to be popping that form off, right? So you want to put more polygel in this dual form, but make sure to keep it as thin as you possibly can towards the cuticle. If you have it too thick, when you go to apply the dual form, you're going to notice there's like a rift between your cuticle and the nail. And I told you guys in my last video with dual forms if you watched, but I've been applying dual forms wrong in the past. They're supposed to be like you just pop them on, cure, pop the nail off, top coat, and ready to go. So the point is we don't want to file these nails on top of the nail, okay? So we want to get the cuticle as best as we can at this part right here before you cure it. So the next nail, I'm not going to encapsulate, just going to do straight polygel, and with that you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to just put polygel inside the dual form, a more generous amount, and spread that out. On this nail, you're going to see the first time around I didn't feel like I put enough polygel inside the dual form, so I went and added a little bit more polygel. You can totally do that. That's before curing, that is, but that's why this is so easy, because you can take your time. It's not like acrylic where it dries on you, you know. You have to cure the polygel yourself for it to, you know, stick. So yeah, it's really cool. You can just put more on, do whatever you want, but just make sure that you're keeping it like really thin at the cuticle. I've done this many times where like I have it down now, but there's been times where my like cuticle area looks crazy because it's too thick, you know what I mean? I don't know why, but you guys are gonna see here in just a second. Every time I do dual forms on my middle finger, like I don't get enough on the edges. You guys are gonna see literally right here. Like every time, I don't know why, but can you just see right there on the sides? You guys even saw me put some on the edges. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. And then this too. So while I was using these dual forms, I saw that there was this little baby like pokey at the end of, okay, so you guys are gonna see, okay. You see where the number is on the end of the dual form? Okay, right underneath that number, there's that little dot, that little plastic dot. Does anybody know what that's for? It like sticks out. So if you put polygel to the very end of this nail, then you have a hole in your nail. Like, does anyone know why? Because on the last set I did, I don't know if you guys saw the last Makartt takeover I did, there was like little holes at the end of my nails. I had to file it down, but I didn't know why, but now I know it's these little like it's these little plastic things that stick out. Anyway, off that tangent, I'm encapsulating this nail again, and you're going to see me move the polygel down because I don't want that plastic thing to put a hole in the tip. So weird. If you guys saw, I'm gonna after this video, I'm gonna post it on my YouTube that just as a short, but I was able to do another little takeover on Makartt's Instagram page with this Emily Susannah's kit, and I did it all by myself. I edited it by myself, you know. I mean, obviously, well, not obviously, I guess usually with the takeovers, the girls just film it and then they send it to their editing person, and the Makartt edits it for them. Oh, hey, Zion. Mommy's doing a voiceover. But lately, I've been really practicing my editing. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen it, I'm going to post it on my page today. But I got a lot of sweet comments from a lot of you guys. So thanks so much. It's been really fun on this nail journey I've been on. I'm super grateful for all the opportunities I've got to do so far, and all the kits that I've received and been able to make videos for you guys. Otherwise, I don't know what I'd be doing to put videos out. So I'm really, really, really grateful for everything. And I know you guys already know this, but if you shop with Makartt, don't forget to use my ambassador code SLAYBYJ. You'll save 15% off, and I earn a little commission too. So I popped the dual forms off, and now I'm just filing the sides of my nails, and that's it. You don't file the tops. Like, that's the beauty in dual forms, you guys. We just file the sides. I'm like, how cute they look. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I think they look so, so cute. Except my middle finger, which you guys can see my regular nails, like, sticking through. So we're going to cover that with some bling bling. But first, I'm going to put top coat on each of the nails. After the top coat's done, I then am going to go in with my Jelly Nails rhinestone glue. I know people usually do it the opposite way, but this rhinestone glue is so perfect. It's like very specific, so you just put it wherever you need and then put your gems, cured, you're good. It doesn't, like, you know, seep out everywhere and stuff like that. And after that, I'm gonna be done. But I want to let you guys know that my girl Nails by Rosalie, you guys know her. If you don't, you need to subscribe because she's amazing. But she sent me the Mia Secret acrylic kit, you guys, like a brand new one for me to use on my channel. So just want to let you guys know, those of you that have been wanting to see acrylic, get ready because my next video is about to go down. I'm so excited and nervous. So if you guys have any designs you want me to do using acrylic, then show you girl. But anyway, here's the final result. Let's put some cuticle oil on, and then I'll showcase them a little bit closer to you guys, and yeah. All right, and voila. What do you guys think? I think they turned out really cute. I really, really like the little heart. They're like sugary gumdrops. They're so cute. It's like a piece of candy. The one thing about it though is it does get caught on all your stuff. So other than that, absolutely adorable. Thank you again to Makartt for sending this over to me. I absolutely loved working with it, and if it's still available, I suggest you guys go and get it. I'll have it linked in the description below. Shout out to my channel members: Maria's Nail Journey, Shelly Bateman, Nailed by Sabri Griffin, Penny Vestina, Enrique's Family Good, Cassandra Lynn, China Fierce B, Kaylin Nails, Nicole Boyer, Michelle Foy, Alice X, Jennifer Landris, Crystal Colton, Alicia D, Katie Lynn, Danielle Monnet, Kylie McGee, Vivi Rivera, Kimberly Cannon, Michelle Mish, and Bucket List. Shout out to my channel members. Thank you all so much for supporting me. I love you. I hope you guys liked the video I posted for you guys yesterday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!